Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to solve very simple problem on the HackerRank under Python called print function. So the problem statement is very easy. We need to take n as an integer from user, and then we need to print the list of integers from 1 through n as a string without space. For example, if you enter 3, then 1, 2, 3 we can expect it as a output. So we are taking input from user and converting that into an integer. Then we are using for loop and generator to generate numbers from 1 to n plus 1. We are using n plus 1 because right now this n plus 1 means 4, and since it is exclusive, it will travel from 1 to 3 only. And in the print statement we are using end with no space in it, so that we can print all this result in a single line without any space. And when we run this, all the test cases will be satisfied. Thank you everyone.